Welcome to this YouTube channel Learn Quick. I am Sharif here to explain you a problem on projection of plane rectangle. Let's read the question. A rectangular lamina of size 60 cross 30 mm is seen as square in the top view. When it is rest on one of its edges on HP and perpendicular to VP. Draw the projection of the lamina and find the inclination of its surface with HP. Draw the front view of the lamina when the edge about which it is tilted is inclined at 45 degree to VP. So to start with, we are decided to draw the rectangular plane in step 1 below XY line. So we are doing this because it is given in the question that the rectangular plane is resting on the edge on HP. And most importantly, we are going to keep the short side of the rectangle either in the left side or in the right side. So when we incline, the rectangle becomes a square. So for example, you assume this is a rectangle and this side is 60 and this side is 30. And now when I incline either in the right side or left side, the 60 mm will get reduced and at one point it will become 30 mm. The rectangle will be visible as a square from the top view. So this is what we have to do in this problem. In case if you want to understand better how to position the rectangle in your step 1 and about the different orientation, I recommend you to watch my previous video lecture on projection of planes parallel to HP or VP. The link is available in the description, and I also recommend you to subscribe this channel with the bell icon for more updates on engineering drawing. So first mark a point in XY line and then draw the shorter side of the rectangle for 30 mm and then draw 60 mm, which is the longer side of the rectangle, and now mark the corners of the rectangle as A, B, C and then D. Now project all the corners from step 1 to step 2, that is the front view of the rectangular plane, and in my front view this rectangle is visible as a straight line. Now I draw the line in your front view. Now mark all the corners in your front view. When you view from the front, A is visible but D is not visible, B is visible and C is not visible, and D is exactly behind A and C is exactly behind B. So here I mark as A dash bracket D dash, B dash bracket C dash. Now we have completed step 1 and step 2. Usually we will be moving to step 3 here and then step 4, but in this problem we are going to draw the step 4 beforehand because it is said in the question the step 4 looks like a square, but the inclination of your step 3 is not given in the question, which is unknown, and then we are going to find it. So now I project AB and CD to step 4. So use of engineering drafter is recommended. So here I have to make a square. So the shorter side length is already 30 here, which is fixed and can't be changed. So all the side is going to be 30 mm in this square. So I mark 30 mm each side. And then form a square. Now mark all the corners in step 4, A1, B1, C1 and then D1. Now to draw the step 3, I project all the corners from step 4. Since the resting corner is a line AD, I mark here A1 dash, D1 dash. Now I measure A dash, D dash and B dash, C dash in my step 2, and then I transfer the length of the line in my step 3. To find B1 dash, C1 dash. Now I draw the front view of the rectangular plane which is inclined to HP. In the end, I can measure this unknown angle to find the inclination of the rectangular plane, that is the true inclination of the surface with HP. Now we will move to step 5. So where the square is inclined at 45 degree to VP, keeping the resting edge AD as reference. So mark a point in XY and measure 45 degree and draw a line. Now consider a point in the inclined line and measure A1 D1 and then transfer it to the inclined line and mark this point as D2 A2. Since all the sides are 30 mm, I directly draw the square. Since this is my final view of the rectangle, I use my HB pencil to draw the top view. AD, and I am drawing AB, DC and then CB. Now mark A2, B2, C2. To draw the step 6, project all the corners from step 5 and all the corners from step 3. To do this, I recommend you to use Engineering Drafter to obtain parallel and perpendicular lines. Now mark the coinciding point A2 and A1 dash meets here. It's A2 dash, B2 and B1 dash meets here, B2 dash, C2 and C1 dash meets here, C2 dash, D2 and D1 dash meets here, it's D2 dash. Now I join all the 4 corners to obtain my final front view. Now let's do the dimensioning of the rectangle, the linear dimensioning of longer side and linear dimensioning of shorter side. Now we do the angle dimensioning. So this angle is the unknown angle, so which I have to measure and find, and this angle is given in the question, that is 45 degree to VP. To draw the arrowheads, I use my engineering template. You can also draw these arrowheads manually, making sure the arrowheads ratio are in 1:3. So I mark here 60 mm, the longer side of the rectangle. The shorter side is 30 mm. The angle made in the front view by the rectangle, that is the surface inclination to the HP, is unknown. So now we measure it, and I obtain 62 degree. So I mark here 62 degree. So the inclination of the resting edge is given in the question as 45 degree. So thank you for watching this video lecture. In case if you have liked it, press like button, comment, and do not forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon. Thank you.